Now let us understand what is a fluid and how does it differ from a solid. So what is a fluid? Anything which can flow is a fluid. For that matter, anything. So example, kerosene is a fluid, water is a fluid, milk is a fluid. Now let us understand what is the difference between a fluid and solid. For this we will take a case in which we are applying a tangential force on a solid element as well as the same tangential force will be applied on a fluid element. So here we take a solid element and a fluid element. So when we apply a tangential force on the solid element deforms by an angle phi. So here there are three possibilities when we are applying a tangential force on a solid. Either the solid will not deform at all, or the solid will deform by an angle phi, and when you remove the force, the solid may regain its original shape if that force is under the elastic limit of the solid. However, let us take what happens when we apply the same tangential force on a fluid. So when we apply the same tangential force on a fluid, then the fluid, instead of having a permanent deformation like that of a solid, will continue to deform under the application of this force. And that deformation will not stop until and unless you are removing this force. Moreover, the fluid will never regain its original shape as that of the solid. So fluid will continue to deform. So these dotted lines represent the fluid element which was here, and they are deforming continuously under the application of the force. So what conclusion we derive from our discussion? We understand that what is the difference between a solid and a fluid? A solid can resist a shear force at rest. However, a fluid cannot resist a shear force at rest, but can do so when it is in motion. So this is the basic difference between a solid and a fluid.